Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is my November How to Kill a Kit with Style. So if you have not watched my video from a couple days ago regarding what I wrapped up in October, I will link that down below. But I am still going to finish up the kit from October because I have 4 layouts left to do with that, and then I will be wrapping that up. So then that means I'm going to be going into a brand new set of photos and a brand new kit. So these two kits here are pretty old. They're old to me. So this kit, there's not much in it, and that's why I have 2 out. So I've got all this string and I've got this little bits. And then this is the, see, I've got all these little bits everywhere. I think they fell out of the thing. I don't know. So I got all this string. And then I've got these little pieces like that. And then this is the So Frosty kit from the Hip Kit. And it matches the crepe paper snowflake collection. And that's what all of this is. So I've got 2 sets of alphas. I've got the Hip Kit stencil yet in here that's So Frosty. This is part of, there's not much left. And then I do have, oh, it came out of here. That's where those things came from. I knew they were in a package. Okay. And then I've got quite a bit of these little puffies. I ended up getting quite a bit of these. And then I don't really, I've used quite a bit of that. There's not much left of these. And then I have this, all of this. I have all of, there's a bunch of scraps. And then I've got all this paper, and then that's pretty much used up. But this kit is one of the kits that I'm going to use, because what I'm going to do is that How to Kill a Kit with Style takes December off, because, you know, it's December daily and all that fun stuff. So this kit's going to roll November, January, and probably February, but I could be wrong. We'll see when we get to, like, January. So this kit has not been touched at all. And so I've got 2 embellishment kits. I've got all of these pieces. I've got stencil, alphas. This has not been touched at all, at all. So I've got that. These 2 pieces. And this was 2 years ago, I think. Or, yeah, or last year. It was either 2 years ago or last year for sure. And I didn't touch this one yet because I had it set up for what I'm going to show you of what I'm scrapbooking for the month of November and January for sure. And I know that the colors of the photos are going to be somewhat difficult, but we're going to make it work. Okay? So this kit, like I said, has not been touched at all. And the pictures that I'm going to be using is of my time in Europe, in Germany, when we used what was called Fasching. And Fasching was done to get away from the snow because it's so cold and stuff over there. Well, not necessarily in Stuttgart, but it does get cold over there. So the photos are going to be of one of the trips that I did. And I've got 2 Faschings to do, this one and then 1 more. That's why these kits were going to be perfect for it. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 layouts to do, 8, 9 layouts to do with this one. And then I'll come back and see where I'm at. and then we'll bring in the next set that has more snow and stuff, because this one, it was warm, it was cold, but warm enough to where it wasn't snowing yet, or we didn't have snow. But the other one that I go to has snow, so that's why I wanted to use that kit, because I wanted to put all of the Faschings together. Because this one that I did, I put the two layouts that I did, I put them together because they were wearing their Halloween costumes. Because it is a lot about dressing up, but this one was done like during Christmas, I think, or right after Christmas. It was right after Christmas, so that's why I picked like the Christmassy theme for that one. But that is for the month of November. Oh, also, we have a hop that we're going to actually do in the month of November as well. So we are going to have that. So be on the lookout for that as well on my channel. And yeah, so let's see what we can do. And I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.